VPN Streaming video. Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the best VPN for streaming video. In order to get around IP blocked, you are gonna need a VPN. Using a VPN protects your online activities, such as browsing, banking, and shopping by encrypting your connection and keeping you anonymous. From anywhere in the world, you can stream anything you want with Pure VPN. With Pure VPN, you can stream movies, shows, or live sports in blazingly fast, uninterrupted, buffer-free performance. You can watch movies, shows, or live sports from any service with Pure VPN's dedicated optimized servers for blazing fast, uninterrupted, buffer-free streaming. So the first step you'll need to do is click the link below to download the software. You will have to subscribe to a premium plan to access Pure VPN's premium features. Next, you will need to download and install Pure VPN. It only takes a few clicks to install the program on your computer. Please ensure that all running applications are terminated before following the on-screen instructions. Once the download has been completed, open the executable file and follow the on-screen instructions. You must choose Run as Administrator from the menu of the Pure VPN installation folder to start the setup process. If you want to make changes that require administrative rights, you'll need to enter your password. Please enter the code you were given and click Yes. In the next step, the program will launch and briefly describe its features and functions. As soon as we have completed the installation and download, this is something I'd like to check out. Before connecting to another server, let's open YouTube, Netflix, and HBO. Several of these videos are not available in my area or country, as you can see here. Considering you want to watch this video so badly, let's connect to a US server on Pure VPN and watch this movie. After connecting to the US server, let's go back to YouTube, Netflix, and HBO. That's right, it's now available. It works like a charm. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you can claim your free trial on the link below. Check out my channel for more tutorial videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a thumbs up if this worked for you guys. You can find all the links below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.